life is a letter that is written along the way. Life swings like a pendulum from suffering to boredom. Life is in my eyes an instinct of growth, of duration, of accumulation of force. We always die too soon or too late, and yet life is there, over. You are nothing but your life. Hasten to live well and remember that each day is a life in itself. The man who has lived the most is not the one who has counted the most years, but the one who has felt life the most. It's wasting your life to buy it with too much worry. The philosophy of life is not to extinguish but to see the light of day in the light of love. In this life, no expectation is perpetual. Life a book. Each new day is a new page that we open. We age faster in portraits than in life. A useless life is an anticipated death. Life and lying are synonymous. If you want to be able to endure life, be ready to accept death.